Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel, The Unidenticals. I am Lahari and video for today is Desi Diwali Glam. So I'm doing a really Desi glam makeup look with all the hints of reds and goldens, and I'm starting it with a moisturizer. As you can see, I'm using the Pond's Light Moisturizer, which is really good for oily skin. So next is using a primer. I'm using this NYX primer, which is really good. It's a powder based primer. I'm using in the areas like near my nose, chin, and where all of the areas where I generally sweat. So the basic purpose of a primer is to control your sweat, make your makeup long lasting. Now I'm all done with my primer. The next step is using a concealer, and you guys know what is my favorite concealer. It's a Swiss Beauty concealer. So I'm going all of the areas like under my eyes, nose, my lip area where I feel the darkness. So apply it all over the areas where you feel pigmentation or darkness. Now take a blending brush and blend it really well. Do not apply too much of concealer. You just need a little bit of concealer. Just dot it all over your face where you feel the darkness, and that's it. Don't completely apply it as a foundation. Now take your ring finger, as I told you before, like blend it really well under your eyes first with your ring finger, and then go with a beauty blender or a brush. Always make sure that you apply it in an upward direction, like lifting your face so that it will not make your face look dull. So I'm not going to use any kind of foundation because I don't usually prefer it. So just to highlight my face areas, I'm using this Maybelline concealer. It's really good and it's a little bit lighter than my shades. That's why it will really work good for highlighting your face. It's completely your choice whether you're going to go for a foundation or a concealer. It's completely up to you guys. And make sure that is not cakey at all. If there is any, then you can try to just remove it. You can see that I'm doing it in an upward direction, like in the direction of my eyeliner. And also don't forget your ears and neck, because most of the people tend to do it. Now after just done with my base, I'm going to use this Maybelline Fit Me setting powder just to set all of the areas where I have applied concealer, so that my concealer does not crease. Don't worry guys, if you don't have this one, then you can go with a talcum powder or also go with a compact powder. Anything will do the same job. So yeah. So I don't generally use contouring or do bronzing guys. If you guys want me to do, then tell me in the comment section below. I would love to do it. For my eyes, I'm going to use this eyebrow pencil. It's a random eyebrow pencil. You can go with any eyebrow pencil of your own wish. And now I'm just shaping it and like brushing it all around, filling it. First outline your eyebrows and then go with the filling one. Done with the other eye as well. And now just brushing out all the excess powder after setting my face. Eyeshadow time! Sorry guys. Now I'm gonna use this Makeup Revolution palette and use that golden orange shade, basically an orange shade on my eyelids. And it's a hint of brown as well. Use it on your crease areas and also create that wing eyeliner kind of look, so that when you apply an eyeliner, it will really look good. Doing the same for my other eyes. This palette is really beautiful. You can see the pigmentation. You can definitely go for this one if you buy. Now I'm done with my crease guys. Now I'm going to go with my lid. So for lid, I'm using this golden shimmer shade from the same eyeshadow palette and apply it on my lid. Just place it on my lid really well. You can just build a layer until you get the perfect shade that you want. Now taking the blending brush and just mixing the two layers together, the one that I did before and now the shimmer one. Eyeshadows are really fun, guys. You guys should definitely try them. Now I'm done with my eye makeup, like basically almost done. Now I'm going to take that little pointy type of a brush and just make a line on the areas where I think the shimmer has not settled really well. You can see the difference. Now I'm going to use the same brush and take a red shade or something, a darker shade, and place it on my crease so that it will separate my crease from my lid and it will create that beautiful illusion. You can definitely see the difference. Don't worry, guys, if you have just overdone with your eyeshadow, you can definitely remove it or just rub it. It's completely okay. Here I'm using a cotton pad and just completely shaping my eye look however that I want. Eyeliner time. I'm using this Lakme Instant Eyeliner, which is really dark and really good and affordable also. Now make a line using this eyeliner towards your eyebrow, where your eyebrow ends, so that it will be easy for you to make that wing eyeliner, and just make a line and mix it towards your eye and just fill around, and that's it. And trust me, guys, matching your eyeliner is a task. And as you can see, here I go making it a mess. If it happens for you too, then calm down, let it dry, it will easily come off. And guys, once again, just for you all, I did it again. Mess, guys. So the next step is applying a blush, and I love applying a blush. As you can see, I'm just going overboard, and that's completely okay. If you think that you have gone overboard, then you can definitely cover it up later. And not only for cheeks, you can also apply it on your nose and your chin area, so just to make feel fresh and live. Now here is a tip for you guys. If you feel that your under eye area is white and cakey, then use the same brush that you used for the blush and just brush it all around your under eye and the areas where you find cakiness. And as I told you before, if you feel that you have overgone with your blush, then you can use the concealer brush and just blend it all around. Now using the highlighter. Ooh guys, who does not love highlighter? I'm going to use this Instant Glow highlighter. This is really affordable and good for beginners. And you can see the glow, guys. I'm applying on my bridge of my cheeks, my chin area, on my cupid's bow and my nose, and also on my bridge of my nose and for my eyebrows, just to make them look sharp and edgy. Now for my inner corners, I'm going to use the same highlighter palette and use that white highlighter to use on my inner corner. And also I'm using another trick, and if you feel that your eyeliner is not popping out, then you can use a little bit of highlighter and just place it under your eyeliner. For mascara, I'm going to use this Maybelline Hypercurl mascara. It's really good and give you that natural finish. And here I go, messing it again. Now for my lips, I'm going to use this Lakme lipstick, and it's a really good liquid lipsticks with a very good amount of quantity. I'm going to use this red, which is matching with my dress. And guys, because it's in Diwali Desi Glam, how can you miss on a red lipstick? I know you guys know the problem with these dark color lipsticks. So just to cover it up, my makeup turned out to be really good, guys, and you can definitely go with this makeup look. It's really simple, really elegant, and very appropriate for a perfect Diwali. Now it's a hairstyle time, guys. And now I'm gonna use, do this simple hairstyle, which is my go-to hairstyle. Just combing my hair, retangling it, and now separate it, make it a partition in the middle, and just take that front section from the one side and take the other front section from the other side and clip it, and that's it. Isn't it simple? And just set it after you are done, and take that front sections to make that rolls. I wish making curls was that easy. And yes, we are done, and here are the results. I hope you guys liked it. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe.